Hello, hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Today we will be finishing with the AI. I believe I had pretty much everything down. The only issue I believe that is left is adding a little bit of a variety to the pathfinding, because right now everyone tries to get to the same location. I also need to clean the code that is no longer going to be used. Yeah. Can you tell I'm not looking forward to it? Yeah. It's a bit annoying because it's not a part of game creation that I enjoy that much. Maybe it's also because I'm a bit tired. Yeah. Yes. Maybe it's also because I have been checking what's left for the game to do, and it's quite a lot. Yeah, I still have another 3 enemies to make. Then the sub boss and the boss. And then we need to finish polishing the dungeon before I get to the first demo, which I believe is still quite a lot. Yeah. What do you mean the commentary sounded a bit creepy? Which one? The one where you're saying I'm doing more size than usual? Too much attention to detail? You mean on the game or on the comments on your site? It's normal, I believe. Also, I requested a little update to my model. So I'll be testing that after the stream. And maybe on, what is it, Thursday? You will be seeing a new a little update for my model. Yeah. I will see. I still need to check it out. There might be a few details I need to iron out. Yeah. Oh. It's funny because no, it's not really anything elaborate. It just will make my expressions a little bit more fluid. Yeah. Mainly that. It should make my face more expressive. It's not a full version 2 or anything like that. It's just a tiny bit of an upgrade. It's funny because I thought I wasn't going to have anything new to show on my birthday, like other VTubers do. But turns out I might actually have something. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't expect actually to get the upgrade on time. Especially because I didn't request it for the update to be finished by before the 8th. Yeah. Which is something nice, I would say. Hopefully everything is okay. I still need to do some checks. My birthday is on the 8th. 8th of August. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Ah. Did you know that August 8th is International Cat Day? So it's technically Meow Day. It's Meow Day. Okay, let us begin then. How about a little bit of Russian? Let's see what I get today. Ah, it's a controller. It kinda actually fits me. Yeah. Yes, it's National International Cat Day. Let me switch settings.
Hello.
Hello. And let me grab my controller. It actually looks pretty good, surprisingly. Okay, I also need to fix my script because I messed it up. Where are you? Oh yeah, because I removed the script, I need to redo my kit bindings. 1 second. There we go. Now I just need to make the zoom a tiny bit stronger. Okay. That looks kinda nice. Okay. Okay, so I basically created these functions to mark the grids. This is to check corners that I'm using. I believe this one to calculate the grid might not be useful anymore. What else? this one to destroy the grid. Is this being offshore? It's being used over there. This might need to... I actually might need to do something about this, now that I think about it. Okay, so currently we have pathfinding that looks like this. Now they don't get stuck. They still get a bit of on the line, but they are not really truly stuck. Yeah, they look a bit clumsy. Probably mainly because they are aiming for the same spot when they are moving. At least they don't get stuck anymore. Yeah. Give me 1 second. I want to wash my face real quick. It won't be more than a minute or so. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I should have washed my face before started streaming. Okay, so let's see. One thing I need to check is the additional options to the thread thingy. So let me add the droppers. To the map. Maybe I should fix these guys. I believe they may be a bit too big. Yeah, maybe they are a little bit too big. Okay, let me add a few around. And I believe I need to do one modification over here. This is using empty grids. That looks a bit jerky. Let me ease this a little bit. That's a tiny bit better. Okay, so what I want to do is mark the cells where the object is. Given the map currently, I will need to mark these 4 cells where the object is. Yeah, this thing is a tiny bit more bigger than it should be. Well, it doesn't necessarily need to be fixed right now. Okay, let's see. So Hmm. When I mark for the other guys, what I do, I just mark the position where I'm collision. Okay. So I can remove this correction, and I'm going to use this one over here. Let me over this function. Okay, we're really marking a region. And that's going to be using a specified grid with a star on an edge. So I'll be doing something like this. Actually, I could use this function as it is. Yeah, I don't really need this function. Okay, so let me delete these ones then, so I don't have extra stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here, I need to mark a region. Which object barrel you're going to mark a region of the obstacle grids. With a start on, let me actually set this more clean. X comma y, but it's going to be -4, so I grab the top left cell, and I'm going to have an int with +4. To grab the other corner. So that would be starting here to here. What I'm missing? Oh yeah, the mark we're going to use. Let's set this mark as 2. I'm trying to see if I'm forgetting something. I could call limit to avoid issues. Start equals to self dot limit. Is called what? pt2. And I need to do the same for nets. Just to be careful. That should do it for that, I believe. Okay, let's see if that works. Ah, we have a crash. Game manager on other line 5. Probably because I removed the functions. Let's see. Game manager. Mystery path grids. Probably this is the issue right here. Okay. And another issue. Variable non-active limit back to no set for units. Okay. Let's see. That's an issue over here. Is it because I'm calling this here? Let me test it out. Nope. It's because I'm calling initialize right here, the limits. Maybe I should move these functions up. Okay. You heard my phone? Damn it. Oh, I see. It's because self doesn't exist within barrel. That's the issue. I see. 1 second. I see. Let me set a variable that I'm going to call var underscore is going to be equal to self. And I'm just going to switch this one. Like that. I just equal self with this and use this here. And another obstacle grid no set before init. I see the issue here. Right, I need to use this here. Okay. There we go. Now if I hit this, it got stuck on an infinite loop. Lovely. Why did it loop? Why did I do it wrong? Let me kill the process. Is it because I'm calling initialize? That's probably it. That's looping. Right? Yeah, it was that. The only issue is without the initialize, they are ignoring the barrels and everything. Maybe I should create a new function. Let's call this one obstacles. And I'm just going to move this one over here. Since the only thing I want is to execute this code. So I'm just going to use this here. That should not loop the code, hopefully. So now if I... Oh! It crashed. Oh, I see. Whoops. I forgot to move this variable. Now they should be. They are not dodging the obstacles. Yeah, they are not. Hmm. What to do? What to do? Uh, From object parallel, I really only need these variables. Can I do it maybe? Hold on a second. Is there a way for me to get all the objects in a room? Let's see, let's see. If collision point, instant count, gets instant variable. Collision, data types, audio effects, shader, is meeting, position meeting. This is not what I want. Let's just check on instances. Distance find. Ah, this is actually useful. Okay. So let's call this function let's call this get all. And it's going to receive an object. Okay, so with this I can get all the objects. Does this language has for each? Stroke right for each. I think I can use this, but I don't really like the way it looks. So what I would be using would be this for each, and I will call getAll. I will pass subject barrel and the function to execute, and I suppose that would be this one right here. Let's call it just mark the object. And it's going to be this. Actually, just this. Mark object. And we will make a variable underscore x equals to we will receive an ID here. Underscore ID.x. And the same for the y. This feels a bit how to call it, not very well structured. Let me check if I'm using it correctly. Yeah, you just call the function. Let me grab the parameters here, just in case. Okay, that should work in theory. If the documentation is correct. Let's see. We already found an error. At least okay. The issue is right here. I'm missing that. Okay. Now what? Please not set version limits. I don't need. This is going to be self. I don't need this one. They're still not avoiding the crates. They are avoiding each other, but they are not avoiding the crates. Oh, it's maybe because... Okay, I think I know what's wrong. Basically, I need to... var w position equals to self dot to grid position new vector 2 element X, element Y. And then this one is done like this. Okay, that should fix it. Let's see. They are kinda avoiding the things. Maybe not. Yeah, they are not quite doing it correctly. Hmm. Yeah, they are avoiding some, but not others, which is a bit weird. Hmm. What's up? Oh, that could be it. They are only avoiding the barrels. Okay, now that I think about it, this is probably wrong. I need to set this to 1. That's probably causing issues. Let's see. Maybe that will resolve the issue. That was a bit weird pathfinding, but okay. That looks way better. I don't know why they're taking the long way around. That's a bit weird. Yeah, for some reason they are taking the long way around, which is a bit odd. And they only do that sometimes, not every time. Hmm. Yeah, there's definitely something weird here with the pathfinding. Let me see. Maybe they are having a preference for X when moving. That's probably the issue. Yeah, maybe it's a preference for X. Yeah, that's why they're doing that. Oh, wait. I think maybe my algorithm for make the paths has an issue. I see this jump from 36 to 86 right here. That is a bit too big to be normal. Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. That should be on the calculate. We get the value, and if it's not zero, we return. Huh. Maybe I should move this only if when we change the value of the cell, we then call this. And I can maybe remove this line. That should fix it, in theory. Nope, that cycled everything. Lovely. Ah. I got on an infinity loop. Hmm. Okay. If I set it like this, it will only change when maybe I should move this downwards. This validation over here. And rather than make it non-equal to 0, I could make it using this. Like so. If the minimum value is greater than the value we're looking for, we just return. That way I don't need this if. Don't look. It looked. Okay, I need to undo this. Maybe I'm going to need to restructure this as finding. Okay. For now, let us check. They are avoiding the barrels pretty well, I would say. Yeah, they're just, for some reason, taking too much of a deviation, like right there. There's a big jump right there. And right here also, for some reason. Yeah, there is another big jump right there. And another one right there. And here is another big jump for some reason. Maybe let me move this down over here. And let me play with this value. Let me first check there is nothing wrong here before I start playing around. Okay, it's not looping. Nice. I can see the big jump right there. Yeah, there is a big jump right here. Okay, that's working. So let's see. I need to change this evaluation. If value is different than mean value plus 1, how about if I use this structure? Will this loop? It didn't. Okay. That seems to be working fine. Okay, that seems to have fixed Asia. Just changing the condition. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Yes, nice. That is the trick. Okay. Now I just need to add the barrel. I mean the crate. And that would be right here. I'm just going to copy this and say object underscore crate. And in theory, that should do the trick. So if I do this, and I go over here, now they are avoiding the crates. It looks pretty smooth actually. Maybe there is a tiny bit of lag. Here and there. Yeah, there is a tiny bit of lag. Maybe this requires a bit of optimization. It's still pretty smooth, even though I can kind of feel a tiny bit of lag here and there, which is not good. Yeah. Okay. That's nice. Ah, well, the pathfinding is now working. Which is pretty nice. Oh. Okay. Now, what I need to do is make a function that give us different targets. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm going to need something here. So let me make a copy of this. This is going to be get random move tile. Let's see. So we get the current position. Then we check the directions. I don't need these comments. And here we're looking for a position, a direction to go. I believe there is a function called choice, if I remember correctly. Choose that one. Let me see. Choose. Okay. Okay. It worked exactly as I expected. So since I just want to select a random direction, Does this function accept an array? It does not. Huh. Randomize? Ah, interesting. Okay, okay. Good to know. Let's see. How do I make this work? Do we have a well in this option? Well, yes, we have a well. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to choose a direction. Now these ones. So we have down, up, right, and left. And let's call this select. I'm not going to bother with the diagonals right now. So we chose a random direction, right? Why are you complaining? That's fine. So we select a direction. Once we got our selection, we are going to get the value of that selection. I don't need this. And I don't care about the current position either. I just care if value is minor is greater than 0. I don't need this one either. And this is will be a well. Value is greater than 0. And I probably should declare value over here. This is going to be 1. Once we get value greater than lower than 0, we need to return selected, so I don't need any of this. I just need to return select. Okay, let's test it out on the bots. Move to random tile. Let's see how that looks. And we looped. Lovely. Yes, we looped. Lovely infinite loops. Let's see. That's not correct actually. Yes, we did a loop-de-loop. There we go. Okay, that's not working as I expected. I actually need to call self dot limit pt2 for this also to avoid that issue. Let's see. Okay, for some reason they keep going over these sides. Yeah. That's not correct. Why are you not doing what I wanted you to do? We are using variable grids. Are we initializing? We are initializing. Huh. That's weird. Maybe I should actually use the values, these ones. So I just call the values. And I just let them choose. From down. Up. Right. And left. But then again, that wouldn't give me what I want. Uh, huh. Ha. I'm thinking. Hmm. We're returning select, which is a position. And we're going to be in that position is not greater or equal than 0. And the bots, we are here on step. Converting that position to a location we're going to move to. Yeah, they could move slower. It's more about the fact that they are wandering outside of the bounds of the room. That's what I don't like. Huh, that's odd. Why is there a 0 over here? Huh. And then a 3. Hold on a second, something's weird here. Let me show the grids. What's happening right now? I need to fix. Where are you? Limit calculate data. Huh, interesting. Is getting the edge marked? It's almost as if it's not initializing. That's weird. Hold on, why is that happening? Is maybe because I'm calling initialize right here? Maybe I should be calling it on a run start, but not from this guy. This guy. from other from start. Yeah, we're marking things correctly. Why is this? Huh? What the fuck? It was supposed to be already okay. Why is now like this? It was functioning before. I haven't touched this code. It was working. What? It's because I'm clearing the obstacle grids, but I'm not modifying the obstacle grids. I'm clearing the variable grids. It's because I modify the calculate. Hold on a second. Is this the issue? Is that the issue? Let's check it out. Is that the issue? Because I modified the way things are calculated? What the fuck? Okay, what the actual fuck? Is it maybe not calling the initialize? Okay, what if I just call initialize? Unset target. Hold on, this needs to be lower. If I'm calling initialize, I don't need to clean this. Let's see. It's not working. But I didn't modify anything. Why is suddenly not working? Okay, how about I don't call all obstacles? And I don't call this either. Huh. Initialize is doing nothing. What? Do we have a print here? Stringify comment threads. Do we not have a print? What about the log? Log and in, log 10, dialog, prints. Game maker prints. Okay. Let's test this function. Let's see. Show the book measures. Is there no? I see. Let's say pt2 name. Let's copy set. And I'm going to check is right here. Layer not found. Get ID. Then we get ID, room size. Let's mark here as a done. Okay. Let me see. It seems like it's not finding one layer, but the rest it is finding them. But it's not marking anything here. Mark cell. Mark rate and value. This is 3. Let's see. I wanna see what's in here. Start and end. Maybe it's giving invalid value for those. It seems to be valid values. Why are you like this? Ah, values are valid. X and Y, please. Okay, let me see. What's value right here? Let's see. Huh? It says it already has the correct value. Huh. Okay. Okay. Huh. This is confusing. It seems like the values are there. It's just not printing them correctly. Yeah. Yeah, it's getting marked correctly. So it's not an issue of this. It's an issue with the calculate, maybe? Okay. This is just marking the object, right? Yeah, it's not doing anything particularly different. Okay. So maybe the issue is on the calculate. So we get the value. If it's greater than 0, we just ignore it. We don't modify those. We get the terrain grids. If the value is greater than 0, we set variable grid to that value. And that's it. If obvious is greater than 0, we set it to that value and we skip. Hmm. So the issue basically here is that the value on the terrain is not being respected. Huh. Am I maybe not showing the correct grids? I am using variable grids. It is kind of working, but for some reason it's not doing what I want it to do. Huh. That's so weird. Let's see, I'm using variable grid here. Let me see what's on the terrain grids. There is a 4 on the terrain grids. So the terrain grid is being set correctly. Huh. Let me see the obstacle gears. Obstacle grid is everything on 0. These are on 2. These are everything is in 0. Okay. Huh. So what is wrong is that is not being set the variable grids correctly. So the issue should be on the calculation. It should be here. I think I know what's the issue. I think I know what's the issue. This is the issue. Because I put this code into the if, that means it also only runs when we set this value. So these things are not getting run. It's basically the thing that is happening here. Yeah. Okay, okay. I get it. I get it. I get it now. Yeah, that's what's happening. Okay. How do I make this work? I could just reorder this. So I remove these returns. And I will run first the one that calculates the value right there. But that's going to cause some different issues. Huh. I could just do this. It's not a very clean solution, but it should work in theory. Ah. Oh, I see. Actually, I don't see what happened. Incremental type undefined expecting a number. Okay, I think I need to probably add a validation here, just in case. Maybe that with salvation. And it seems I looped it. Lovely. Yeah, I looped it. Lovely. Okay, this is not a good solution then. Okay, what to do? What to do? I could actually just move this over here. And I don't need to return these ones. Maybe I need to do it the other way around. So the ring has priority. Okay, we set it. We check the value. We return 0. We return if the value is greater than 0. If not, we calculate. Huh. I see what the issue is exactly. The problem is that okay. How do I solve this? I'm going to remove this. I don't need them anymore. Okay, here we process the terrain, initialize. Then we add the obstacles right here. Now what we need to do is, before executing the calculate, which starts on vector 2, select it right here. That means I don't actually need these two. I will need a function that I will call combine grids, and the only thing this is going to do is we are going to do a for and what I'm going to do is we are going to x and to y. We are going to get the obstacle. We are going to get the terrain. If either obstacle or terrain is greater than 0, we are going to set the variable grids. And this is going to be underscore I underscore j. And I'm going to call sub dot combine grids before we calculate. That means I don't need this. I believe, if I'm correct. And we crashed. And no settler for green in it. Unknown option dot combine grids. Self combine grids is right here. Oh, I see. I typed this wrong. Function. There we go. And now that's working. Well, it's almost working. Ah, we looped. Damn it. Okay. I need to fix this. This if is not going to work, so I need another rift. That should fix it. Okay. So I can move probably this over here to the initialize. And I probably should add a validation just in case. Right here. Okay, that's fine. Good night. Sleep well. Hope you rest well. Yeah. Nice. That seems to be working. Maybe I could make this slightly smaller, but I'm not sure. Now that that's working, let me alter this over here. Get next move tile. Okay. Why is it lagging a little bit? Yeah, it's lagging quite a bit. Did I left anything I shouldn't have? These are not needed anymore. I don't actually need to set this right here. Is it because I'm showing the grids? Maybe? Suddenly it's lagging quite a bit. Yeah, it was probably that. Hmm. I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, actually I am. The rain is not going to change, right? So instead of calling initialize here, I can just call our obstacles and I can clear these two grids. That should save some processing, hopefully. Actually, when I call all obstacles, I probably should be clearing that, right? So I should probably just set it here. I can remove that one. Actually, I probably should in combined grids, I should be clearing the variable grid first. So that means I don't need this one. That should save some competition, hopefully. Uh, hmm. Okay, that clear quite a bit of lag, it seems. Huh, these guys got stuck. That's surprising. They eventually got stuck, but it's surprising that they got stuck at all. Okay, obstacle avoidance seems to be working pretty well. I feel I can probably make the pathfinding a bit more efficient. Ah, did I cycle it? That's interesting. Maybe there is something I can do to make this more clean. I could probably, instead of just calling items at target just to right, I could calculate all the different directions. Hmm. I could save a validation right there if I do it like this. Okay, there is probably an optimization I can do right here, where since I have already the values of the different sites on the path, I could just check if actually I can set this to just be self.get, and that would be variable grids, comma vector2 dot right. And I can just limit this to vector2. And this can be left, up, and down. So we are looking to increase the value by 1 right here, right? So we are grabbing the minimum that is from where it came from. Adding one value, a plus 1. And then we're moving on, right? So I could maybe set it like this. If E is greater than the mean value plus 1, we do this. Right? I believe that's a valid validation. And this would be west, this would be north, this would be south. That should maybe optimize things a little bit. A segment operator expected. Let's do an if then. I didn't want to write the if, but let's do it. That technically should optimize things. It might have... Oh, I see. It's because min value +1 is not taking into account the fact that all the elements are 0. Okay, that didn't work on the way I expected. Actually, it's not even working at all. Was it because I added that to the code, I wonder? It was not because that. Okay, it was this. Because I get it to gradient done. I see what's the issue there. I see. Okay, it seems to be lagging even more now. Yeah, it's definitely lagging more. Now that I think about it, this probably is not useful. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. No, it's actually helping because it's preventing this to being called from being called. Yeah, it's actually helping. Yeah, that's actually okay. Okay, I believe that's correct. Wait, did it loop? What? Hold on a second. Is it maybe because I started this from over here? Why are you looping? I haven't made any modifications. There we go. There's still a tiny bit of lag that I don't like. That's another issue. Or is it? For some reason it's getting stuck. I'm getting a loop here. Maybe I need to rethink the calculate function. Maybe if I set it this with mark variable, and what we're going to do is check if our value is greater than our mark. Lesser than our mark. So we started at -1000. So let's say this is -1000. We have a 0. If it's greater than our mark, we mark it, right? So if it's lower, we ignore it, so we return. Else we simply mark it. And then we call the functions with mark +1. And I don't need this. That's way more simple, I believe. Yeah, I forgot. I need to set this right here. And I can comment that. Oh, I see the issue I made. Oops. 1 second. This is supposed to be Mark+1. Is it supposed to be Mark+1? No, it should be Mark. We're trying to mark it like this. This should be Mark+1. And that's it. Why is this looping exactly? So we start with 1000. We check the value, which is going to be 0 starting. Value is not greater than 0, so we don't fall here. Value is not lesser or equal to mark, so we return. Zero. Now we pass, we mark by 1000, and we over here bring 99. We enter, we get a 0, we mark it, and we go to left, we find 1000. This passes, this does not pass, so we return. In theory, it should be working correctly. Why is it looping exactly? Yeah, that's not working. I'm pretty sure I'm doing something very obvious wrong, but I don't know what it is. Yeah, for now, this one is kinda working, even though there is a bit of lag. Hmm. That's another issue. Why does this loop when I click on an obstacle? That shouldn't be an issue. Hmm. Hmm. What to do? What to do? Eh. Uh, this is currently working, but I want it to be perfect because I don't want to have to modify it later. Oh. Ah. Can I make this more optimal is the question. Maybe I need to do some research. I believe there is a type of search that is very similar to what I'm doing. That could be more correct. Oh. Oh. Hmm. I'm slowly thinking maybe there is a way to make this a bit more advanced. Yeah. Hmm. Ah, I believe this doesn't affect the calculation, right? If I do this, it just makes it a little bit faster, right? Right? I believe. Yeah, yeah, it doesn't seem to be affecting much. Maybe it's a tiny bit more laggy. Yeah, the issue is when I hit something like this, that's when it loops. Huh, for some reason. I need to figure out that issue. Is it maybe because we have a value? So I probably should do this to avoid issues. And I probably should move this over here. That in theory should fix the issue. Actually, I'm probably going to need this thing over here either way. Yeah, I'm going to need this validation down here. That way, if I do this, it should work just fine. If I hit an obstacle, nothing should happen. Only when I set it on a valid target. Okay, that fixed that. Okay, nice. Okay, it seems like I finished with the pathfinding now. Next stream, I'm just going to apply it to the enemies. Huh. Yeah. Okay. Then I'll stop here because it's already late.
Hello.
Hello. Let me get rid of my hands. And yeah, I believe we did quite a bit of progress today. I solved a few bugs and issues that came from my modifications to the code. But at least we have a working code now, working pathfinding. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching the bot, because right now there is no one in chat. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Good night. Adiós. Nos vemos. Hasta luego. Bye bye. Night night. See you later. Bye. Yes.